I often get asked when I'm reviewing prior returns or I'm looking at some tax planning or maybe doing a current tax return, and the common question is, what tax deductions have I forgotten? What have I missed? And obviously that's a very difficult question to answer because I don't know exactly what your particular business was doing. But some of the things that I see missed over and over again, I've mentioned on other videos the home office deduction, and I think the failure to claim that is a big missed tax deduction. A lot of small businesses have their kids or other family members working in the business and they don't pay any wages or other compensation, and I think that's a big missed tax deduction. Providing gifts to clients and not claiming them as tax deductions. Missing a lot of startup expenses, meaning that maybe you incurred a few $1,000s and then you started the business and you forgot to take those deductions, or maybe you didn't know what records needed to be kept for that. A whole host of personal type expenses that are converted into business expenses, including equipment and furniture and what have you. These are very common expenses and they're missed. I don't know what the percentage is, but quite often. And so I think what we want to do is we want to take the tax deduction checklist that's available at Tax Organizer and go through that and make sure that any tax deductions that are on that list that are expenses that we're incurring, that we know how we can claim those. So again, we can maximize the tax deductions both legally and morally to legally and morally reduce the amount of taxes that we ultimately pay the government. I found the Tax Organizer app to be very important for a lot of my clients. It helps them keep their records together, keeps them organized, and that's why we're making the Tax Organizer app available for you as a free download. All you need to do is click below and try it out for yourself. You have nothing to lose.